Yes guys, we are connecting cable for the heater. We are doing gas welding now. So we have not terminal with the heater, so that we are just welding now. Gas weldings. You can see cylinders. A cylinder. We have one oxygen cylinder and other cylinder is LPG gas. And combine and we will adjust fire, and now we can connect wires with the copper rod. You can see we have total 6 wires. It is a star delta connections which will connect in the fryer. First we give some heat, then it will melt and then connect cable. After that apply copper rod.